नमस्कार, मैं रंजन कुमार अमृत न्यूज़ से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। राजधानी पटना स्थित बिहार म्यूजियम, जहाँ की थर्ड बिहार म्यूजियम बिनाले का आयोजन किया गया है। नमस्कार सर, अपना परिचय देंगे।
I am Dr. Sanjeev Kishore Gautam Rajput, and
जी।
presently I am working as the Director General in National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi.
कांग्रेस।
Thank you very much. We have 3 modern art galleries in Delhi, Bangalore, and Mumbai also. And very recently we opened a Calcutta NGMA also. So nice. And yes, this is my introduction.
Say something about this third Bihar Museum Binale 2025.
This is the privilege to being here, a part of this third edition of the Bihar Binale. As a DG, we feel very good, from the last 2 days here. And this is my equally privilege, and I would like to thanks to DG Bihar Museum, Anjani Kumar Singh ji, give opportunity to us regarding the display. This particular gallery, it belongs from the NGMA actually. And I feel very good about this opportunity from the DG Bihar Museum, because this is one of the largest display in our gallery from the NGMA, and particularly each and every artwork is so beautiful, is so massive, and I would like to congratulate the Bihar Museum as well as some staff or the all participation country who display their artwork. Or the last 2 days, the beautiful seminar is also going on here with the Alka Pandey. So this is a wonderful experience here.
2 days seminar was also organized.
Yes, the discussion is very, very important for the museum actually. Or normally people are not very much understand about the how capacity of the Latin America or the Pacific kind of the artist community, as well as the culture, how rich culture we have. The first time in a Bihar, this type of the activity in the large canvas provided by the Bihar Museum. So it's a wonderful sign to the empowerment, Bihar, or it's good for the citizen of the Bihar also.
I have one question. What is art according to you?
Actually, art is a very tricky kind of the questions. Art is the expression of the person actually. It's not only we claim any person who creates something who is the artist actually. I think art is everywhere, from the very morning to late night. We act anything, the nicely done. If it nicely done with the food, nicely done with the work, or whatever, which is the very connect with your soul or your inside of the feeling. If you express the nicely in canvas or some other things, which other materials, it's called to art actually.
Last question. What are your suggestions for the younger artists?
Actually, I always suggest to not only the artists of Bihar, the young guy, for every corner of the country, you must do hard work with the honesty actually. This is my quote from the very earlier when I start my journey from the art field, being a student. I believe the minat, or your determination, your devotion is very, very important for the achieve anything. So always I call to young people with the honesty, regularity is the most important things for achieve anything in your life.
Thank you, sir. Best wishes for Amrit News for your more beautiful paintings for Indian art world.
Thank you very much. I always feel happy when I come to Patna or Bihar, because this is my native place, or I feel proud today being a Bihari artist or being an academician, or now I'm the administrative position in one of the best art institution in India. So I feel very good, and I must to be congratulate to all citizens of the Bihar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I am Ranjan Kumar Amriti, Amriti News, Patna, Bihar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram.
Thank you.